Shenzhen-focused Smartech Company Limited, established in 2012, is one of industry-leading professional manufacturer of smart cards and RFID label products. With total assets of $50 million and a land area of 3,000 square meters, which is always committed to the development, production, and sales of smart card technology and products, has formed several series of main products like RFID card, RFID label, RFID card inlay, RFID wristband, RFID reader. These products are widely used in the field of transport, security, library management, supply chain logistics, music festival. With excellent quality and good reputation, it's getting more and more favor and recognition on the local and international market. Science and technology boosts the enterprise's development vigorously since its inception. In order to enhance the market competitiveness of the products, the company is making continuously great effort to optimize production workflow, standardize operating procedures, improve the management level, and now it has passed the ISO 9001. Now the company has 2 high-precision smart card and RFID label production lines, and all products are made independently in its plant. With the principle of customer first, keep developing, and being honest and responsible, we're dedicated to offer customers with superior products and service. Keep developing and innovate to better prompt RFID technology application in every walk of life.